Welcome back to our data analysis full course. Today we'll be looking at VLOOKUP, and by the end of the course you are going to learn three things: how to use the normal VLOOKUP, you're going to learn how you can use VLOOKUP and data validation together, and finally you are going to learn how to use VLOOKUP from different sheets. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is a function in Excel that is used to search for a value in the first column of a table and then return the information from another table in the same row. VLOOKUP helps Excel to find something for you automatically. Okay, all right. Before we use the function VLOOKUP, let's look at the function and their meaning. All right, so let's look at VLOOKUP function and their meaning. Okay, so these are the functions. VLOOKUP, under the function we have lookup value, we have table array, colon index number, and range lookup. Now I'm going to explain what each of these means. Okay, I'm going to explain each of these for you and how to use them. If you can be able to understand all of this, what lookup value is, table array, colon index number, and range lookup, you will never have problem with VLOOKUP again. All right, so what is lookup value? Lookup value is just like what Excel is searching for. So if Excel is searching for John Mark and John Mark is inside here, it means that your lookup value is what? J2. Okay, so now the purpose of this is we want full name and salary. We want to get the salary. Once we type in the full name of each of these, once we type in the full name from this, we are going to automatically get the salary of the person. Okay, for example, if we type John Mark, automatically we can get the salary of John Mark. If we type Nene Okogo, automatically we are going to see the salary of Nene. Okay, so that is the goal of the normal VLOOKUP that we are looking at today. All right, so now lookup value is what? J2. So what do I do? To avoid error, I'm going to just click on this cell. It will appear. Now the next one is what? Table array. Table array is just the range that you are searching for. Since we are looking at full name and salary here, our table array is what? Is going to be from full name to salary from our original table. So what do? I will go to this place and select full name. So we are searching for full name to salary. So that is it. So the next thing is what? We are done with the table array. I'll write comma. Once you write comma, it will take you to the next syntax, which is what? Colon index number. Now the colon index number we are looking for is what? That of salary. You go back to the table and count the colon. This is what, remember, you start from full name since we are looking for full name to salary. So you are going to count from full name to salary. Now I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Meaning the colon index number of salary is what? 5. You write 5, comma. Good. So if you look at the range lookup, we have true if you want to get the approximate match, and we have false if you want to get the exact match. Mind you, for this we need the exact match, and always choose false when you want to get the exact match in VLOOKUP. So I'm going to choose false and press enter. Now the salary of John Mark is what? 250,000. Now good. So if I go back and pick another person, this is who? Daniel Anderson. If I change this to Daniel Anderson's salary is 300,000. Okay, so VLOOKUP will help you when you have a very large amount of data. There is this amount of data that you have that you cannot go through it one after the other to check the salary. So what do? You use VLOOKUP for that. Okay, all right. The next one we are going to do is the same, but this time around we will be looking at full name and job title. So we want to check the job title of each of these persons. Okay, now I will go back again. Full name is what? Let's check that of Nene Okogo. So we are going to use this. You type equal to VLOOKUP. Now lookup value is what Excel is searching for. That's Nene, comma. Then the table array from full name to job title. So we are going to select the range full name, job title. Good. I am done. Then once you type comma, it will take you to the next. So the next is what? Colon index number. So let's check the colon index number of job title. Remember, we are going to count from full name to job title. So let me go back and count. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3, comma. Remember the exact match, which is false. I will double click and enter. Now, the next job title is what? Front end developer. So if I write another employee's name, Daniel is a data scientist. Okay, so this is how you can use your normal VLOOKUP. Okay, so this second one is how you can use VLOOKUP and data validation together. Okay, now for the department, this is where we'll be using the data validation. If you look at the department, we have different departments: software, engineering, data science, IT support, human resources, and the rest of them. Now, the next one is what? Location. We have Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Lagos. So some of them are repeated. Even this one, some of them are repeated too. So this is where we'll be using the data validation so that we can be able to get the department. Instead of typing, we'll just click on it. So for this department, I will place my cursor here, go to data, then data validation. I'll click on it. Now, for the validation criteria, I want to use list. So I'll select list, go to source. So for the source, my source is what? Under department. I'll select everything under department and press enter. Now I'll press OK. So if I click on this arrow, I have all of this. First of all, let me select software engineering. And for the location, this is where we'll be using the VLOOKUP function. Okay, good. I'll write the function VLOOKUP equal to, my lookup value is what? Software engineering, comma. Then the table array is from department to location. Now, I'm going to highlight department, to location. Good. Once I'm done, comma, then the colon index number of location. Remember, we are still counting from department to location. So if it is employee ID to location, it means you're going to count from employee ID to location. Anything that you see here, you're going to you're going to count from that name of the column that is here to whatever name of the column that is here. So since we have department and location here, it means we are going to count from department to location, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the colon index number is what? 6. I'll write 6, comma. Then for the range lookup, our range lookup is false because it is what? Exact match. We are looking for exact match and not approximate. Remember, approximate will not give you the exact information you are looking for. So that is the reason why we are always using false, which is what? The exact match. I'll close my bracket and hit enter. So now we have software engineering is located in Lagos. Then data science is in Abuja. Human resources is in Lagos. Marketing is also in Lagos. So we have all the departments listed here with the help of data validation. Then IT support is in Port Harcourt. So let's go back and check for IT support. Let's check. Okay, so this is the department, IT support. So this is the location, Port Harcourt. Good. Let's go back and select another one. Finance. Finance is in Abuja. So let's check the department finance. Where is it? Okay, this is finance. And the location is what? Abuja. So this will also help you to search when you have a very large amount of data. Sometimes even when you have data like up to 300,000 rows, 900,000 rows, that you cannot even go check one after the other. So with the help of VLOOKUP, it will just automatically search for your answer and bring it out. Okay. All right. So the next one is how you can use VLOOKUP in different sheets. All right. So let's do that. I want to show you how you can use VLOOKUP between different sheets. For example, we have full name and we want to bring in job title. So this is our data. We have full name, we have job title. Instead of typing it one after the other or copy and paste, you can use VLOOKUP to get the job title here. Now, I want to show you something. If you want to use VLOOKUP between different sheets, make sure that whatever you're searching for is on the first column, okay? Because it will always search the first column. So make sure that whatever you're searching for is in the first column. All right, let's go there and see it. Equal to VLOOKUP. Now your lookup value is what? John Mark, comma. Then the table array, you go back to where you have your full data set. So we are searching from full name to job title, right? So I'm going to highlight all of this. Then this is it from A1 to C16. I'll write comma again. Then the next one is what? Colon index number. That's 1, 2, and 3. I'll write the index number and we select exact match and press enter. So once you're done, you double click. So now we have the full name and job title. Okay, all right, so this is how you can use VLOOKUP in Excel. Now in our next video, I'm going to show you how you can also use XLOOKUP